morning, dear students. Today we will start a new chapter, comparing quantities. We usually compare two quantities either by ratio or by percentage, and both the terms are not new to you. Ratio. Suppose there is a ratio 2 is to 3. There is a ratio 2 is to 3. So this means that there are two quantities which are in the ratio of 2 is to 3. That means after cancelling those quantities, we will get 2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Percentage, percent. Cent is 100. That means per 100. Percentage means per 100. Is that clear? Now we will solve few problems related to ratio and percentage. The very first question, find the ratio of following. Number 1, 12 meter to 6 kilometer. See dear students, whenever there are two quantities and their units are different, then first step you have to do is to convert the larger unit into smaller unit. You need to convert larger unit into smaller unit. Here meter and kilometer are given. That means you will convert kilometer to meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, 6 kilometer will be equal to 6000 meter. Now you have to find the ratio 12 is to 6000. Okay. Now either divide it simply or you can write it in fraction as well to make your calculation work easy. Both can be divided by 6. It will be 2 by 1000, 1 by 500. So the new ratio is 1 is to 500. And ratio is a unitless quantity. Ratio is a unitless quantity. That means we don't put any unit in the ratio. Or you can proceed it over here also. Both the ratios are divisible by 6. Divide it. Then by 2. So you can proceed in either way. Both are correct. Let's see one more example. Here the problem is 15 km per hour to 35 km per hour. Now the units are same. Whenever units are same, you need not to do anything, just write it in ratio form. Now both are divisible by 5, it will be 3 is to 7. This is your answer, and ratio is a unitless quantity. One more example I am taking, 7.5 liter to 50 ml. Now see, here it is liter, here it is milliliter, and you need to convert higher unit into smaller unit. That means you will convert liter to milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now 7.5 liter will be equal to 7.5 into 1000. That is 7500 milliliter. Now you have to find the ratio. One method is you can divide it directly. Now by 5 it will be 150 is to 1. Or the another way is you write it in the fraction form and then cancel it out. Both the method will be equivalent. Because the next problem is conversion of ratios to percentage. Percent means per 100. See, I will tell you a very simple trick. Whenever you need to put a percent sign, you have to multiply by 100. And whenever you want to remove percent sign, you have to divide by 100. Percent sign For percent sign, multiply by 100, and for removing percent sign, divide by 100. If you can remember this, you will never commit mistake. Whenever you want to put percent sign, multiply by 100. Whenever you want to remove percent sign, divide by 100. Here we are supposed to convert ratio into percentage. That means we have to put percent sign. That means you will multiply the ratio by 100 and put a percent sign. It will be equal to 40%. Similarly over here, you need to put percent sign, multiply by 100%. Divide it, 4 is 25, 2 will be left, it will be 75 by 2%, which is again equal to 37.5%. This solves our problem.